Good morning. My name is Gulzar. I belong to village Manjarikala, and right now I am pursuing my B.Tech from Gulzar Group of Institute in Mechanical Engineering.
My name is Aman. I'm from Ludhiana and I'm pursuing my B.Tech from Gulzar Group of Institute. And I always look for the field that has my innovative mind to work on.
And our training is divided into two parts. 2 months of software training and 4 months of industrial training. I came here at the reference of Ms. Amandeep Gurkirat for 2 months of software training, and right now I'm studying AutoCAD, SolidWorks and Catia, and my trainer's name is Mohali.
Our trainer provides every single aspect knowledge of the SolidWorks and Catia, and they clear the doubt of every student, and they provide us the best knowledge they can give us.
And the environment in EME Technologies is really good. They are really supportive to every student, and there are daily classes every Saturday that helps to develop our personality. And teachers are really good, and they have complete knowledge about softwares. And our trainer Swayam Mahajan, he trains us with every possible knowledge of AutoCAD, SolidWorks and Catia. He provides us detailed drawings so that we can practice at home too.
The labs are also good and the systems are working well, and our training is going good. And we refer the students to join here for your 6 months software and industrial training.
Thank you.